So Janta, welcome once again to my channel Puzzle Pandit, and today we are going to do this Sudoku invariant puzzle. This one is named Doodles and this one is by Fulldeck and missing few cards. As you can see, I think these are the simple rules. So standard Sudoku. In fact, in the puzzle they are given the short rules also. So it is standard Sudoku. Then these blue lines are joint sum lines, and then there is consecutive pair. So these are the short rules. So in details, the rules are now standard Sudoku rules apply. That means the digit 1 through 9 appears in every row, in every column, and in every box, right? Without any repetitions, you have to put 1 to 9 in these things. Standard Sudoku rules are done. Sum lines. These are the sum lines. What are these? Box borders, right? So these are the boxes, and these are the box borders. These lines. These are the box borders. Box borders split blue lines into sections, and the digits on those sections must sum to the same value, right? So let's take the example of this line, right? So what does this rule mean is that this line, whichever boxes they are going through, the sum of those digits in each box should be same. So if we divide, so we have to divide this line into three parts. So let's say this is one part which is in this box. This part of the line is in this box, and then this part of the line is in this box, right? So what does this mean is that whatever the digits are there in pink should be same as the digits, the sum of the digits in yellow, and should be the sum of the digits in gray. So this is what this means. Whichever boxes this line pass through, the digits on those boxes, the sum should be same. And similar for the other line. So that is the rule. If a line has multiple sections within a box, these sections are summed separately. Yeah, this one I think. So I think I can see only one thing here. I mean, one occurrence that these sums are not together. These sums are separate. So whatever this sum is, same as this sum, and whatever this sum is same as this sum. So something like that. These three are not together. We are not going to sum these three together because these are different sections of the line, right? This is different section of the line, and this is different section of line. So this is one sum, and this is the same sum. These three together are not the same sum. Basically, that's what this means. If a line has multiple sections within a box, these are multiple sections. These sections are summed separately. Consecutive pairs, digits separated by a white dot are consecutive. So I see these white dots. Yeah, there is vertical white dot also. So the digits around white dot should be such that one digit should be, I mean, they should be consecutive. What I was about to say is that one digit should be either one less or one more than the other. But the simple terms is that they should be consecutive. So if there is 3 here, then this must be between 2 and 4. You cannot have anything here. You cannot have any 5 or 6 or anything, or even 1, because those are not consecutive to 3. So this should be consecutive neighboring digits basically. So yeah, so that's it. Those are the simple rules, standard Sudoku, and then region sum lines, and then consecutive pairs. So those are the standard Sudoku invariant rules for those who have playing regulars who are playing Sudoku regularly. Yeah, so with that I'm going to start, and if you are watching this video, that means I'm able to complete, and if I can complete this puzzle, then I assume that anybody can. Okay, so yeah, so the region sum line, right? So I can already see something here. Yeah, let's start with this line, right? See, there is these 3 cells are there, right? And the minimum we can put into these 3 cells are 1, 2, 3 digits, right? And then these 3, whatever the sum of these 3 digits should come here, right? So that means the sum is a single digit, right? Because this is a single digit and it cannot be more than 9. So whatever sum here should be a single digit, right? So this sum is also single digit, and minimum the digits we can put here is 1, 2, 3. And if you see 1, 2, 3 sums to 6, that means minimum this should be 6, and it can go up to 9 because 9 is the maximum digit you can put here. So that means this is only between 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's one. Let's see if we can see this pattern somewhere. Yeah, this is 3, right? Yeah, this is 3 and this is 1, 1, right? So the same thing, the minimum here will be 1, 2, 3, which sums to 6. So these are also between 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember, these two now must be same, right? Because they are part of same line and they are single digit, right? So those two must be same. These digits must be same directly because it's single digit and it's the sum of all these things, right? So those should be same. Um, right, I don't see anything. Minimum this is 4, so the sum is 10 because 1, 2, 3, 4 sums to 10. But yeah, that is. I mean, 10 divided by 2, right? 5 is kind of average, which there are many options there. Even here, right? 10 is there, and then there is 3, so many options are there. Right, this one we can see, right? See, there, this is 5 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And so whatever the sum is here, it should be within these 2 digits, right? Now minimum, if you see, right, the digits you can put is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that sums to 15. So these two should be minimum 15, and that clearly means that you cannot have any digit which is less than 6 here, because any digit less than 6, right? Let's say this is less than 6, let's say this is 5. Now minimum this is 15, so that means this must be 10 or more, and that's not possible. So that means you cannot have any digit which is 5 or less, so this has to be 6, 7. And now look what happened. We have got 6, 7, 8, 9 quadruple. Basically what does that mean is that the 4 digits, right, 6, 7, 8, 9, they has to be within these 4 sets. They cannot be anywhere else. So the other digits must be between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me remove this. Like this is just example. This could be anything, right? This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 also, or any possible combination which can go up to 17, because maximum is 8, 9, 17. So this could be any combination which can go up to 17. Yeah, this is interesting, right? Because of this, right? Yeah, there is also a little bit of math involved here. So see, this is 5 digits which are looking at each other, right? And so whatever this digit is, this sum is multiplied by 2 of these digits, right? We can easily see that because this is sum of these digits, and this is also sum of these digits, right? So whatever this is multiplication of these two. This multiplied by 2, right? So what is the minimum 2? Again, this is 5 digits which are in straight line. So minimum this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which sums to 15. So this must be now something which is which should be minimum 15 divided by 2, right? Because otherwise this is not possible. This digit is not possible. If this is anything, if this is anything less than 15, so no, the way, okay, I don't know what I'm saying. This sum is 15, okay, minimum 15, and imagine this is 6 or 7, right? Let's say 7. So this must be 14, right? Because this is 7 and this is 7. So this must be 14, but that's not possible because minimum this has to 15. So this must be 8 or 9. This cannot be 6 or 7, because if this is 6 or 7, this is not possible. So this has to be 8 or 9, and that means this must be either 16 or 18, because this must be double of this. Oh, but this continuous digit, right? Yeah, this must be consecutive, right? So 8 is not possible. See, because what happens, right, in consecutive, when you have consecutive digit, one is even definitely and one is odd, right? And the sum of these two consecutive digits always going to be odd. So 8 is not possible. So this has to be 9. Now we can remove 9 from here, right? We can remove 9 from all of this. In fact, this is also given, right? Because this is continuous and this is 9. The only possibility is 4, 5. You cannot have anything else. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yeah, this one, right? So this is minimum 15, right? So how can this be now 6? You cannot have 6 here, right? Because if it is 6 here, maximum this could be 14, right? Because 6 plus 8 is 14, but minimum this is 15. So 6 is not possible here. So this is exactly 15, and to be exactly 15, this also needs to be the minimum, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, 4, 5 is not possible here, right? Because 4, 5 is already gone here. So this is 1, 2, 3, and we can see that 2 has to be here because this is either 1, 2 or 2, 3. And if 2 is here, 2 is not here, and 2 is not here. In fact, 1 is also not possible here, right? Because if there is 1 here, it must have 2 because that's the only neighboring digit 1 has. So we can remove 1 from here. Oh, and that means this has to be 4, right? 4 has to be here because this is now either 3, 4 or 4, 5. So 4 has to be here, and we can remove 4 from here. And somehow this only becomes the odd digit, which is 1, 3, 5. This digit, right? Look, now all 7, 8, 9 are gone here. So this has to be 6. This is the neighboring digit, so this must be either 5 or 7. But one thing sure is that 6 in 3 digit, there is only one possibility, and that is 1, 2, 3. There is no other way to create 6 because this is the minimum we can have, which sums to 6. Now what? Right. This one, right? Right. So now these 3 digits sums to 9, and the possibilities are 1, 2, 6. Then there is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and then there is 2, 3, 4. Right. Now 1, 2, 6 is not possible because 6 is here, so we can remove that. 1, 3, 5 is also not possible because at least 2 digits must be continuous, right? And we do not have anything continuous here, right? 1, 3, 5, they all have gaps in between. So the only possibility is 2, 3, 4. This has to be 2, 3, 4. And in fact 3 has to be here, right? Because again continuous thing, and 3 is not here. The other way to look at this, right? This must have 1 even and 1 odd. So the only odd digit is 3 here. So it is to be 3. And you can remove 3 from here. Yeah, this also sums to 9, right? And the only now possibility is 1, 8, right? Because all other possibilities 2, 7, 3, 6 or 4, 5 is 1. So this has to be 1, 8. This digit now must be 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or could be 9 also. 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything else that we can do? Same thing here, right? This cannot be. Yeah, it's the same thing here, right? It must be 2, 3, 4, isn't it? No. Because 6 was here, so 6 is possibility here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? I mean, either this is 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 6. But 1, 3, 5 is not possible because again there must be some continuity here. But this cannot be 6 here, right? Because if 6 is here, must have 5 here. So that's not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how is this going? So this is either 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 6. 3, 4. Oh, 1 is not possible here, right? That means that has to be this. Yeah, again the same thing, right? This has to be odd. So this has to be even, right? Because this should sum to 9, which is odd, and this is odd. You can only have even here because odd plus even is going to give you odd. So this has to be even. So this must be 2, 4, 6. Now this has to be odd, right? Which is 1, 3, 5 or 7. And now this should sum to 9. So this must be even, right? Which is 2, 4, 6, 8. And now this must be odd, right? But 9 and 7 is already gone. So this must be 1, 3, 5. So 8 is not possible here. If 8 is not possible here, 1 is not possible here. Now, okay, same thing here, right? This has to be even, right? Because this sums to 15, which is odd. This sums to odd. This must be even, right? So this must be 2, 4. We can ask question, right? Where is 9 in this box? 9 cannot be here because the minimum then this will sum to 10, which is not possible. This must sum to 9. 9 cannot be here, right? Because this is consecutive. So if there is 9, this must be 8 plus 9. 8, 9 has to be there, which is 17. But this sums to 15. So 9 is not here, 9 is not here, 9 is not here. The only possibility for 9 is here. Oh, and that means in this box 9 has to be here. Just by Sudoku. 9 cannot be here. What this 9? 9 cannot be here because of this 9. 9 cannot be here because of this 9. That has to be. So that's not 9. Also 9 has to be here now, right? Now is that 9 possible? I have to say no. See, because if this is 9, think about what is the minimum sum here. If that's 9, minimum this is 5, 2, 3, right? Because 1 is here. So minimum this will be 2, 3. Minimum this will be 5, which is already 10. And 10 plus 9, 19. And there is no way these 2 will sum to 19, right? So you cannot have 9 here. That has to be. If you have 9 here, the sum is impossible. This sum is impossible in 2 digits. Now, in fact, can that be done? Can we think about this? What's the minimum sum here? It is 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because 1 is not there. 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 14, isn't it? Yeah. And to be 14 here, minimum 14, but it can go up to 16, right? 7 plus 9, 16. So this is only 14, 15 or 16. So 14. Yeah, so if this is 5, the only possibility is 9 here. Sums to 14, which is the minimum here. 2, 3, 4, 5. But if that's 7, then that's 8, 9. So I think this is 8, 9. That's the only possibility here, isn't it? Yeah, because if this is 7, right, that will be 7, 5, which is 12, and 12 is not possible. Yeah, I think this has to be between 8 and 9. That's fine. Oh, anyway, but 9 is here, right? This is Sudoku, and 9 has to be here. Okay. Now, what is next? Yeah, we can think about, right? What are the digits which we must have on this line? Now that we know that the maximum this is going to be 16, 9 plus 7. So yeah, something like if you do not have 2 here, right? Then it will be 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3, 4, 5, 6 is 18, which is not possible, right? 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 7 plus 11, 18, right? So 2 must be there, right? At least 2 has to be there. What if you do not have 3? Then you will have 2, 4, 5, 6. And 2, 4, 5, 6 now must be 18, isn't it? 2, 4, 5, 6, 11. Yeah, 2, 4, 5, 6 is 18, right? No, 2, 4, 5, 6. I can't do this. 2, 4, 5, 6, right? If there is no 3, this must be 2, 4, 5, 6, right? 5 is here. 2, 4, 5, 6. And what is the sum? 6 plus 11, 17. And 17 also not possible, right? Maximum is 16, right? So 3 also has to be here. So we must have 2 and 3 on this line. Because if you do not have 2 and 3, this sum is not possible again. Right. So if you have 2, 3 here, this cannot be 2, 3, right? This must be 2, 3, isn't it? I mean, this is between 2 and 3. If this is not 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, this will be 2, 3, and that's not possible, right? You will have 4 cells containing 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's not possible. So this has to be 2, 3. Yeah, so this has to be 1, right? Because again the same thing, right? If we do not have 1 here, this will be 2, 3, and both 2 and 3 has to be here, because you must have 2 and 3 on this line. So if this is 2, 3, you cannot have 2, 3 here. Both 2 and 3 has to be here. And now if 1 is there, that's not 1. And we got 2, 3 to 3 there. I mean, what does that mean is that you will not have 2 and 3 digits into these slots, which are the remaining for this column. Oh, where is 1 here? That is the question now. 1 has to be here, right? Just by Sudoku, 1 cannot be here. And there is no other place for 1. So 1 has to be here. 4 is here, right? Just by Sudoku. Isn't it? 4 is here, 4 is here, 4 has to be here. If that's 4, that's 3, right? It cannot be 5. Now 1, 2, 3. 6, 1, 3, 1. Is this 1 doing anything? No. 7, 7. 8 has to be here, right? Just by Sudoku, 8 cannot be here. Wait, why did I say? I saw some. Yeah, 8 has to be here, right? There is no 8 here. So 8 has to be here, isn't it? But 8 is here. So 8 is one of the. Oh, so that's 8, 9 pair basically. Sorry. That's the simple confusion. That's 8, 9 pair. And 8 has to be here. So that has to be 5, 7, isn't it? Oh, but look, 7, 8, 7, 8. That has to be 5. Wow. So that's not 5, right? And if that's not 5, that can't be 6, right? Okay. If that's not 6, that can't be 3. If there is no 3, there is no 2 here, right? Yeah, that's correct. If there is no 2, there is no 4 here, right? Because 4 means this must be 3, 4. And that has to be 2. So yeah, we can remove 4 from here. Now we know that 2 has to be here. So this is again one even number must be there. 2 must be here, and that cannot be 2. So now 2 is either here or here. Okay, here now. Now this cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, at least 5 has to be there. Because if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, look what will happen. You will have the 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5 cells, which cannot happen. So minimum 5 has to be here. So these are between 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is not there. 7, 8 is not possible, right? That itself is 15. So this is between 4, 5, 6, 7. So is 8 possible? Because 8 means this should sum to 7, right? Which has to be 3, 4. Yeah, that's not possible. So 8 is not possible here. Teeny reductions we are doing. What next? That's between 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, too many options. Okay, one thing I am thinking is, where is 1 here in this column? See, 1 is in 4 of these things, right? That can't be 1, right? Because then that will make it 2, which is not possible. That can't be 1, right? Because then again that will make 2, and that's not possible. So 1 is somewhere here. Now if that's 1, this will sum to 10, and the only possibility is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because that's the minimum you can get. I mean, minimum you can 4 digits you can put is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And that sums to 10. Considering that 4, that will be 3. And then you must have 1 and 2 here. But then you can't have anything here, right? Because 3 and 4 are gone. Yeah, I think that's correct, right? See, let's say if you have 1 here, right? You will not have 1 here, right? This will be 10. Right now, to have 10, this must be 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no other way. But this must be 4, right? Because we have 4 here. So if that will be 4. Sorry, what have I done? So that will be 4. That has to be 3 now, right? Because it cannot be 5. You can't have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this must be 1, 2. For whatever this is, 1, 2, this will be between 1, 2, 3. But can't be 3, right? Because 3 is already there. So this will be 1, 2. And you can't have that. So I don't think, yeah, you can't have 1 here. This portion will not be possible then. That can't be possible, right? So that means you can't have 1 here. That has to be 1. And if that's 1, that's 2, right? Oh, that 2 gives 3 here. Wow. That's no, that's 3. In fact, that gives 2 here, right? Because 2 will be between this and this, some kind of maximum. That's not 2, that's 1, 3. That has to be 2. That has to be 2. These 3 digits we can get now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. What I'm typing? 4, 6, 7, right? Yeah. 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. Now what? 1, 2. This dot has to be more than 5 now because it is 1, 2 is 1. So this cannot be between 1, 2, 3. 4 is also not there. So 4, 5 is not there. So this must be between 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is also not there. So this must be between 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Yeah. I don't know what next step. So did this 2 help somewhere? Or this 1, 3? Or this 4, 6, 7? No. Come on. 2, 2, 1. 1 is looking at that. That's not 1. That's 2, 3. This will simplify things, right? 2, 3 means that's not 3, right? That's 4, 5. 4, 5 means that cannot be 5. That's 1, 3. In fact, 4, 5 means that cannot be 5, right? So now that has to be 6, 7, 8. So 7 has to be there now, right? Okay. So 7 is not here. Oh, these are 6, 7, 8, 9, right? That's not 1, 3. Sorry, that's 1, 5. These are 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 6, 7, 8. That's not 9. Not 1, 5. Sorry. That's only 1, is it? Yeah, that's 1, right? Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. So 1 has to be here, right? One of these is 1. Can that be 1? That's 1, 2, 3, right? Because all 6, 7, 8, 9 is done and 5 is also done. So that's 1, 2, 3. And 4, 5 is here, right? So that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2, 4. 4 is one of these 2. I don't think that's it. The only thing I can say is that that's not 4. Because 4 is one of these 2 and this guys looking at both of these. No, no, how it is looking at here. No, sorry, I'll take that back. 5761. One should be helpful. No, we have already put one here, right? Now watch 1818 5722. No. Oh, this one. This is 678, right? 678. But 7 is already gone here, right? So that's not 7. That's 6 7. So between this 6 7 8 is gone. So this is now remaining. What is remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5, and we know that that's not 4. So that's 3 5. 4 5 4 5. That has to be 3. So that's not 3. That's 4 5. Okay. That 3 is doing something. No. That. Okay. I don't know. 3 could be here also, right? Giving this 1 2 and this 6. 2 1 8 4 6 7. Okay. 3 doesn't. Oh, that's not 3. That's it. You can do some kind of reduction here. 1 2 1 3 3. What is this sum now? 1 2 3. This is 6, right? Okay. Shouldn't this be 3 more than whatever this is? If that's 3, let's say 9 plus 3 12, this has to be 6, right? To get to this total. Yeah, this has to be 3 more than this, right? So this must be 3 4 5. And can't be 3, right? Because of this. So this has to be 4 5. And this can't be then 6, right? So this must be 3 more than this. Yeah. If that's 4 or 5, that has to be 7 or 8. Okay. So do we have some kind of 7 8 there? No. Nope, nope, nope. 4 5 5 6 7 4 6 7. Come on. Maybe this one. Can that be 7? If that's 7, this is 12 plus 5, 17. No, not possible, right? If that's 7, yeah, this is minimum 17, which is not possible. That can't be 7 now. That's 4 or 6. 4 6 7. Okay. Simple reduction there. What's that now? 1 2 3 4 5 cannot be 6, can be 7, cannot be 8. That's 4 5 7, right? Yeah. 4 5 4 5 7 4 6. Come on. 1 and 8. Something simple I'm missing here. 8 could be here or here, right? 1 2 3 1 2 6 7 7 7 and 6 7 2 5 6 1 3. Oh, 3, right? See, this is x wing of 3. So 3 has to be now here or here, right? And it's not groundbreaking thing. 4 5 Okay. Nine one three. 5 is looking at that, right? That has to be 7 now. So that can't be 7. 7 is in from 5, 7. Okay, one of these is 7 now, right? So that's not 7. That makes that 7. That's not 7. That's 6 8 6 8. We got 6 8 pair. I don't know how to use that because we already have 4 5. Oh, 7 is already done, right? So that's not 7, right? 6 8 9. Let's come here. We have 1 2 3. This should be 4 5 6. Cannot be 7 8, right? 4 5 6. Come on. Some kind of reflection. Somebody 2 3 7. 7 is already here, right? Okay, so 7 is somewhere here. I'm not sure if that will help. No. Okay. I was just thinking if this 7 is possible, but it's possible because if that's 7, then clearly this should sum to here, right? Which is possible. If we have 3 4 2, that sum to 9, and this 9 is possible, so that 7 is possible. I think is 7 is the key, or what is the key now? 6 7 8 1 2. That's 1 2 3 4, isn't it? 5. What is happening? What I'm not seeing. 7 gone in. Oh, we can have this now, right? This is 4 now, right? Isn't it? Yeah, that's 13. So 4. Can remove 4 from both of them. 6 7 4 6 4 6 7. 4 6 4 5 6 7 5 6. Okay. 5 is one of these two, right? Oh, if 5 is, 5 has to be here, right? So this has to be 5 6, isn't it? Yeah, 5 has to be here, right? And that's correct. This has to be 5 6. That can't be 8. That can't be 7 5 6. So this has to be 7. This has to be 8. 8 means that can't be 8 now. That's 6 9. That's 6. That's not 6. That's 7 8. That's 6 gives 4 here. It removes 4 from here. That gives 5 here. That gives 6 here. That gives 5 here. That gives 7 here. Oh, that will resolve a lot of things. So that's 2. That's 6. That 6 means this cannot be 3. That's 1 2. That 1 2 will give 8 here. That will give 1 here. That 2 will remove 2 from here. And what? And I don't know. That 4 is looking at it. So that's 5. That's 4. This is single digit, right? 1 2 3. This to be 3. That's not 3 now, right? Some pencil marking. I can see that's 3. 3 is one of these. That could be still 1 3, right? 2 1 3, yeah. 2 is looking at that. So that's 1. That's 3. That's 2 now, right? That cannot be 2. 2 3. That cannot be 3. none of that 7 now, because 7 is already placed here. That's 1 4. Can I say that? That's 1 4, right? Because 2 is already there. Yeah, these two, right? 1 2 3 4 5 7, and both are possible. Yeah, both are possible. Okay. So now what is remaining? 6 9 8 7 1. Something can be reduced from here, right? 4 5 is not possible, right? 4 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is possible, yeah. 6 7 is not possible, right? 6 7 is 13, has to have 2. So 7 is gone from here. So 5 has to be here, right? That's important, because now that can be 5, that's 7, that's 5. Sorry, what happened? Okay, maybe this is wrong. That's not 5 7, that's 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. Okay, and 5 is one of these, so that's fine. 7 8 7 8 is fine, right? Yeah, 7 8 is fine. Now, yeah, is that correct? 4 5 will have 6 here, and 5 6, which is 11, will have 4 here. That's correct. 5 here, 5 here, 5 has to be one of these, right? Okay, that's not big deal. So what I'm now looking at? 2. This one, right? This one can't be 4 5. Oh, just one sec, I got a call. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I was thinking about, right? Wait, I can have this number, right? 15. Yeah, this sum is 15. So this has to be 8. This has to be 9. Now 9 has to be one of these. 8 has to be one of these, right? Still not happening. 7. Yeah, we got 8, right? 8 is already there. Oh, these two digits we can have, right? 1 2 3 4 8. That's 4 8, right? 4 8. Yeah, now xing of 4, right? So 4 must be one of these two, right? Okay. So that can't be 4, right? But that could be still 4 5. But if 4 is here, that can't be 4, right? That has to be 6. So that's 5, and that's 4. Okay, that's not 4. That's correct, right? 5 4 9 plus 6. Yeah. That's not 6. That 5 gives 4 here. That gives 5 here. That 4 must give now 8 here. That gives 4 here. Now, oh, that's the only 9 here. How does that happen? 9 could be here also, right? Oh, I think I deleted that. 9 could be here also. These 2 could be 9. Isn't it? 9 9. Yeah, 9 could be here. 9 cannot be on 9. I cannot remove that 9, right? I don't think I can remove that 9. So where were we now again? 2. 2 is one of these, right? Okay. 5 we have seen, right? So where is 5 now? That's the only 5 possible, isn't it? Yeah, that's 5. I think we have done with 5, except here and here. Okay. 5 4 6. Oh, that's 6, right? Okay. 6 is one of these. 6 9 7 8 7 8, that has to be, oh, that has to be 8 9, because I see all 1 2 3 4 5. That's 8 9. 1 4. That has to be now either 1 8 or 2 7, right? And that cannot be 7. That means that cannot be 2. That cannot be 1 also, right? So that means that cannot be 8. So that's 1 2 and that's 7 8. Could have just got from here also, right? 7 8 7 8. That's 1 2. Oh, look, we got 1 2 3 triplet. So now the remaining is 7 8 9. That has to be 7 8 9. 8 is already there. That has to be 7 9. In fact, these both are 7 9. Okay. Where is 6 in this column? I think that's only 6 in this column, right? Cannot be here. Doesn't look like to be here and not here. That's 6. That 6 gives 9 here. That 9 will remove 9 from here. That 9 will give 8 here. That will give 7 here. That will give 6 here. That will give 8 here. That will give 7 here. That will give 8 here. Okay. 4 8. That's 9, right? That's 9. That's 7. That's 9. This is again 1 2 3, right? But has to be 1 2 now. 3 is already there. Oh, 2 is already there, so that's 1. That's 3. That's 1. That has to be 2. That has to be now 3. 7 8 1 2. Yeah, that has to be now 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9, so that has to be 2. 7 gives 8 here. That gives 7 here. Now what is missing? That can't be 8, right? That has to be 8. Some pencil mark 5. That has to be 4. That has to be 5. What else is there? 4. That can't be 4. This is still not giving up. These two has to be 1 4. Yeah, that has to be 1 4. Oh, this one is remaining, right? What are these two? 1 2. 6 is not possible, right? So that has to be 6, right? Some pencil mark, so that has to be 1. These are 3 9, right? 3 9. This sum is this sum is 14, right? 13, sorry, 13. 4 plus 9, 13. So yeah, that's correct. That's 13. So that can't be 9, right? In fact, we know that that's 9. And that was easy. That's 3. That's not 9. What is that? Sorry. That is 2. So that's 3. That's 4. That's 2. That's 1 and that's 4. Yeah, and that's it. That's how the puzzle goes. Yeah, so that was it. Doodles by Fulldeck and missing few cards. I really like this interaction that was going on between the lines. So I use some kind of logic here, right? Why one has to be here and one is not here. Maybe there is some other simple reductions there. Also, I have to use some 2 3 here, right? Some logic of 2 3 here. Why 2 3 has to be here. But yeah, I mean, maths has to be involved here, I think. But because of this line, the way these lines were given and 7 was here. So I don't think there was any other way. But anyway, I mean, you guys can find out any other better deductions, simpler deductions that I have done. Then it will be my pleasure. So yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. And yeah, we'll meet again.